Hey guys, welcome back to this video. So today I am going to be making a Christmas themed slime. So what I got here is this bottle of Tide. I got this activator. I got 3 containers. I got this cup that I'm going to be making my slime in. I got food coloring. I got water, a whole bottle of glue. Got a fork and a spoon. I got glitters and pigment. I got foam beads. I got a diaper so I can make cloud slime, if you know what I mean. I'll be back. I got these, and I got the diaper, and that's basically all I got. And then I got this bottle of clear glue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a white base slime, I think. Oh yeah, and I got this shaving hand soap that I might not use. But so I'm gonna make a regular slime. It's going to have so this is just gonna be a green slime. I don't know, can you guys see the glue down there? Can you guys see it? Okay, so this is gonna be a green slime, so let me get out the green food coloring. My hands is not green because I made a slime before I made this video, and I mean, it's okay. It's not that good, so that's why my hands are not green, but I mean, I'm so disappointed, but this slime is a fail for me, so just wasted glue for that. It's all good though. Got that. I got that. I'm going to put 5 drops of this, little ones. That's plenty.
Is that food color?
Yeah, it
So
can come out.
why would you do that?
I didn't do this. I was playing with slime. So guys, here's the green color that I want. Oh, can you guys see down there? That's the green color I want. So now I'm going to add some Tide to this slime.
Stop looking at me. I'm mad at you.
So guys, this slime looks so fun to play with so far. Gotta add a little bit more activator. My belly is killing me this today. I woke up at 4 and I went to go use the restroom, and my belly was just hurting. Like, hurting. So here's the slime that I like. So I'm just going to go ahead and activate this a lot. So guys, here is the slime. It's so little. But the thing is, I can get the other slime out of the bottle, which I'm going to have to because this is so little. So, yeah. So this slime is so fun to play with. It's just so little. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of the slime out. So here the slime is. I mean, it's a good amount, but like, I wish it was kind of bigger. Like, people make their slimes humongous. Like, where do y'all get the money from to buy the glue? Like, I know I'm not famous at all, but I got money to buy the glue. I had a big jug from Michaels. So this slime is a good slime. I personally love this slime so far. And right now I'm just trying to get like all the slime from down there off of it. So I love this slime. It's so fun to play with. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna make another batch of slime here. So. I'm just gonna go ahead and activate that. I'm not even just gonna put nothing in. I'm just gonna go ahead and activate it because when I mix it in with this slime, it's gonna be green. So not worried about it. And plus it already got a little bit of green in it from the slime that I could not get out. So it's kind of dyed green. So that's that. This slime is a fun slime. It got some good poking noises.
Get out of here, Frank.
So this slime is so fun to play with. I like it.
Enough of that. Goodbye.
So slime is fun. And it's kind of sticky, so that's a good thing because I'm going to put this in phone weed, so that's going to be really fun. So here the slime is, just plain. Nothing is in it except fruit color. So that's cool. So
Make sure you eat some mandarins today. Get something to eat, okay?
okay.
Them little hamburgers in here too if you want them.
Uh-huh.
Did you eat anything yet?
No.
That's why your belly ain't gonna be right. Put some cereal or something in your stomach, dude.
I'm making a video.
I don't care. Why your mama ain't feeding you no breakfast?
She's asleep. Okay. So
You too. I love you. Mm-hmm.
uh-huh. So I'm gonna get a spoonful of this and the other homemade. So I love you, Daddy.
Alright, love you. I'll call you.
Okay. So I love this. So cool to play with. So now I'm gonna get one spoonful of the big ones. I accidentally got two. Well, I did it on purpose, but it's okay. So this slide is so satisfying. Oh my god. Okay, so this is just a plain old foamy green slime. It's a Christmas theme. I love it. It's so fun to play with. So, I don't want to add nothing else to it, but since I got everything, just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of pigment to it. So the slime is gonna be very pretty, the pigment and pigmented. I want some for another slime, so I'll just scoop some out of this slime. But now let's put that in there. It's eyeshadow basically. It's makeup. So it really don't got a pearl because it is a white slime. But I mean, you can see it a little if you're close up to it. So I'll make you guys see it. It's all on the wrong stuff. Okay, I don't care you guys see it. You guys see like any shimmer and shine? Oh, okay. But anyways, I love this slime. That is it for this video. Make sure you comment down below some things, and I'm gonna put question of the day. So Q of the day. So question is Q. Okay. So I'm gonna put it down below too. So make sure you go see that, and make sure you comment down below that. So question of the day is: have your hands ever been dyed? And yes, my hands have been dyed from this slime that I just made today. It's been dyed. I had so much food coloring. And by a blue slime, and they were dyed yesterday. But not from the blue slime. The blue slime was like a month ago. But then I used blue yesterday and red, and it got on my hands, but it like goes away overnight. So I love this slime. So question of the day is: have your hands ever been dyed? So